Dropshipping versus copywriting. Bro, copywriting. Thing is, copywriting's the same as like doing sales. It's the same as doing a bunch of different things. Realistically, copywriting, you're always going to be starting as basically self-employed, whereas dropshipping, you can always almost outsource immediately. Copywriting, you've always got to manage the clients, you've got to manage all this bullshit, whereas dropshipping, obviously there's negatives of dropshipping, but you're immediately just like kind of removing yourself from the stuff, like removing yourself from the actual payment, right? With copywriting, you have to write it to get fucking paid. Whereas dropshipping, you build the store, you build it, then people come to you. Like I get sales while I sleep. Like I literally make money while I sleep because I built the systems. Like even now, I don't work that much. I've been doing like higher kind of whatever, like deep work, I suppose. Like I've been doing a few hours of like just pure focus work, banging through any problems, banging through any tasks that I need to do. And then a lot of my day is just spending trying to network with these cool fucking people, right? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.